Danielle. This week we're going to be experimenting by cleaning some pennies. So we're going to see which liquid, substance type thing will clean our pennies the best. So what I used I had 6 different things that I experimented with. So I wanted to see which one would get rid of all that griminess on the penny and make it kind of shinier again. So I tried vinegar, Coca-Cola, ketchup, mustard, orange juice, and then just plain water. So I grabbed 6 pennies and 6 little cups, and I added enough of each substance that it covered the penny, and I kind of flipped the penny over so that I made sure that whatever it was in was on both sides of the penny, and then I let it sit for 5 minutes. And wiped off each of my pennies. I compared it to a newer penny that I had that was shiny, so I could see what happened when it sat in the substance. What's the science behind our penny cleaning? So when you look at your penny and it's darker and it has that grime, it's not just dirt that's on it. It's actually a chemical reaction from the copper that's in our pennies and the oxygen that's in the air. So when a reaction from the oxygen in the air with the copper in the penny. So the oxygen has a negative charge and our copper has a positive charge. So the oxygen is attracted to the copper in the penny, and then it attaches on and creates a copper oxide, which is that darker, grimy looking part of the penny. So that's why usually when you have older pennies, they're more like darker than a new shiny penny. So what's happening? Why did the ketchup clean our pennies the best? So ketchup worked the best in cleaning our pennies because it has a good mixture of vinegar, which is a weak acid, and then salt, which helps speed up our reaction. So the vinegar is going to break apart the copper oxide, and then the salt is going to attack the bonds and create an even quicker reaction that helps break apart the copper and the oxygen. If you want to extend this experiment at home, you can explore different factors of what helps clean pennies. So now that we know that vinegar and salt are a good mix to help clean our pennies. You could mix vinegar and salt together and see how much salt versus how much vinegar and what the ratios are to see which one will clean the penny the best. You can also extend it and see if the longer you leave it in different liquids or substances, if that'll help clean it more. Or you can even try different liquids or substances around your house. Like, I didn't try lemon juice. Maybe lemon juice has the right acidity to it that could break down and clean the penny. So there are some other things that you can try at home. See you next week. Bye.